So yeah, good deal. But now, could I use it as a... Alright, so this is the memory foam footrest pillow. And this is for your feet. So you can relax your feet under your desk or while you're sitting on a chair. Okay, so the package has information on mailing support. Okay, it's really secured. Now you can feel the non-slip bottom. Shows you how to remove the cover and wash it. So these are instructions. All right, so then this is showing you how to use it. So the pillow can be used as a rocker underneath your feet, or it can be used as a footrest. All right, so let's see how that works. So here we go. Feels comfortable. And then if we want to use it as a rocker, so if for some reason you're like ADHD like me and you're always moving your feet, this might be the thing for you. I think I might use this side more than I would the other side, just because I can keep rocking my feet like this. And then to remove the cover, as they said, which I'm not going to do here, because I always have issues doing anything with pillow covers or pillowcases or putting covers on. Alright, so that's as far as it unzips, but then this exposes the foam underneath. You can see that's the memory foam. Okay, here's the tag. So this is made for Upper Echelon Products LLC in Austin, Texas. All right, now let's see if we can get the zipper back. Okay, the zipper is zipping. No problem. All right, good. Here we go. So yeah, that is the footrest pillow. So yeah, that is the Everlasting Comfort footrest pillow. And then we'll provide feedback over time. But I could feel my feet right now sinking into it. Just like the memory foam works. I can feel it compressing around my feet. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely crawling around my feet right now. So yeah, good deal. But now, could I use it as a pillow? Instead of a footrest, can I actually use it as a pillow? I don't know. Let's see. What bizarre things can you do it come up with now? Alright, it's kind of hard on my head. It's not going to work too well as a pillow. It's definitely a footrest and not a pillow for the head. Memory foam footrest. Yeah, buddy.